Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3. We're going to be talking about the group part 3. This is week 6 of organizational behaviors. Let me go here real quick, and we'll definitely look at the overview for the week. As normal, we have a discussion board post as well as an assignment due each week. And this week, we're going to define conflict. We're going to differentiate between traditional, international, and managed conflict views of conflict. We're going to define negotiation. And we'll look at a lot of different things on this. Within this week, we're going to be looking at chapters 14 and 15 of the textbook. Again, we have the discussion board post as well as the assignment due this week. We're definitely going to go into this a little bit more, and I look forward to working with you guys this week. But it's one of those things where we're definitely going to look at the group and kind of see how we kind of fit into that. And look about conflict resolution and negotiation. I'll add some videos in here to help us to start off the discussion as well. So if you have any questions or need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.